Is it too late to start a high-level agency in 2026, or is there something else stopping most agencies before they even get started? Everyone blames saturation, timing, and being late, but that's not what's stopping most agencies. I've been using high-level for the past 6 years, built 3 agencies on it, scaled to 6 figures a month in recurring revenue. So in this video, I'm gonna break down what's genuinely harder now, what's actually easier than ever, and the one thing that determines whether this works for you in 2026 or not. Let's start with the uncomfortable part. Yes, there are more people doing this now than back in 2019. That's just true. More YouTube videos, more courses, more people DMing business owners with the same copy and paste scripts that they found from some Facebook group. When I started, I could message a chiropractor or a roofer and simply mention high level, and there was a decent chance they'd never heard of it. But that's not the case anymore. Some of them have heard the pitch. Some of them have tried it themselves and gotten overwhelmed. Some have been burned by someone else who sold it to them and then just disappeared. So yes, the untouched market advantage is gone. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. But here's what most people miss. Saturation only matters if you're doing the same thing that everyone else is doing. Here's what I mean. Back in 2019, let's say you sent 100 cold DMs. Maybe 5 people responded. But because nobody else messaged those 95 people yet, you felt like you had unlimited runway. You could just keep going. Now though, you send 100 cold DMs and maybe 3 people respond. The other 97 ignore you. But this time, 30 of them have already been messaged by someone else this month. So it feels worse, but the actual response rate isn't really that much different. In other words, the people who won back in 2019 weren't winning because of timing. They were winning because they did something different. They niched down, they had a specific offer, they led with a result instead of a feature. They followed up. And that still works. It just feels a little bit harder because you can't coast anymore. But here's what nobody talks about. What's actually gotten easier. When I started using high level back in 2019, it was only really good at a few things. SMS follow-up, and that part was actually awesome. Basic funnel building, took some work, but was doable. And contact management, that was mostly it. And honestly, it was a little rough around the edges. The interface wasn't that clean, some features were a bit buggy. It's kind of a bit of a gamble. Well, look at what's in here. You got voice AI that answers phone calls for your clients, conversation AI that responds to leads automatically, workflow automations that would have taken Zapier plus 3 other tools. You got a full course and membership platform. You used to pay Kajabi $400 a month for this. You've got a website builder that actually works, reputation management, you've got social scheduling, you've got invoicing, the list goes on. 6 years ago, I was paying for 8 different platforms, over $1,200 a month, hoping and praying that nothing would break. Now though, it's just one single login. One system, everything's connected. And here's what that actually means for clients. 6 years ago, setting up automated lead follow-up for a new client took 3 different tools and 2 weeks of configuration. Now, it's one workflow and it's live by lunch. Same result, fraction of the time. The platform does more, which means you can offer more, which means you can charge more, which means you can serve clients better with less overhead. That's the first thing that's easier. Here's the second. 6 years ago, I was betting on an unknown platform. So every sales call, I had to explain what high level was. I had to convince people that it wasn't some fly-by-night software that would disappear in 6 months. In other words, I had to sell the platform and the service. Now though, many business owners have heard of it. Some are already curious. Some have tried it themselves, gotten overwhelmed, and are actively looking for someone to help them actually use it. You're not pioneering anymore. You're just implementing something that's already been proven and is currently being used by over 2 million business owners. That's a different sale. That's an easier sale. And here's the third thing. 6 years ago, I was figuring this out from scratch. No templates, no snapshots, no proven workflows that I could import. Every automation, every funnel, every follow-up sequence, I built from zero, which took months and hundreds of hours. Now though, you can start with systems that already work. Import a snapshot, and you've got a working client onboarding sequence in 5 minutes. The learning curve is shorter because the path is clear. When I started, the path was figure it out yourself, break things, fix them, repeat. Now the path though is start with something that works, customize it, improve it, or just leave it alone because it's already working. So harder in some ways, easier in others. But if it's not timing that determines success, then what actually separates the people who make this work from the people who don't? Well, here's what I've seen over 6 years across thousands of people who've tried this. The people who build to 10K a month or scale past 20K or 30K per month or more, they aren't the ones who worked the hardest. They're not the ones who sent the most DMs or made the most cold calls or who just wanted it more. They're the ones who built or copy and pasted systems that worked without them. They didn't just grind outreach. They used a process, a repeatable process for lead generation, a qualification system so they weren't wasting time on the wrong prospects, a delivery system so they weren't reinventing the wheel with every new client, a retention system so clients actually stayed, and they used one platform to run all of it. Not 8 different tools duct taped together, just one system where everything talks to everything else. I see this pattern constantly. Two people start at the exact same time. Same market, same offer, same rough skill level. 6 months later, one of them has 5 clients paying $1,500 a month and is building something real. The other burned out after month 2 and is back to job hunting. The difference isn't talent. It's not work ethic. It's not luck. The difference is that one of them used a system and the other one just hustled. Here's the simplest way that I can explain it. The hustler's effort scales linearly. More work, slightly more results. The system builder's effort compounds. Same work eventually produces 10 times the result. Now, I'm not going to tell you that success is on the other side of rejection. You've probably heard that before. And while it's technically true, it's also useless advice, because what's on the other side of rejection without a system is just more rejection. You can make 100 cold calls a day, but if your offer is weak, your targeting is wrong, and you've got no follow-up sequences, you're just gonna burn out faster. You're not gonna push through to success, you're gonna push through to exhaustion. The difference between people who sign clients and people who burn out isn't pain tolerance, it's process. Most people sign up for a tool, whether it's high level or anything else, and then they stare at a blank dashboard. They watch a few tutorials, they set up a couple things, and then they stall. Because the gap between I have the tool and I have paying clients is enormous, and nobody talks about it. That gap, the messy middle, is where most people quit. Not because they weren't willing to do the work, but because they didn't have a system to follow. They didn't know what to do next, so they did whatever felt productive, which usually means busy work that doesn't really move the needle. The people who make it through the gap, on the other hand, are the ones who have a clear path. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Not figure it out as you go, but an actual system. That's why I want to give you my entire system when you start your trial through my link. The tool is maybe 20% of the equation, the system is the other 80%. Quick note on that, I've got nothing to sell you. After almost 15 years of doing this and building multiple 7-figure agencies, the only thing I offer is a free trial to the software that I use to run everything. When you sign up, you get all of my templates and scripts and systems and training loaded in. That's it. Links in the description if you want it. Now, here's where I'm going to be honest about who this isn't for. High level, and the agency model in general, isn't for everyone. I'm not saying that as fake scarcity. I'm saying it because it's true, and I'd rather that you find out now than 3 months in. For example, if you need someone to tell you exactly what to do every single step of the way, this is going to be hard. I can give you the system, I can give you the templates and the scripts and the snapshots, but at some point, you have to make decisions. You have to adapt to your market. You have to think, and if that sounds exhausting, this might not be the right fit. Also, if you're looking for truly passive income, which honestly doesn't really exist, but you're hoping to just set it up once and then never touch it again, this isn't that. This business model is about as passive as it gets, but client work does still require maintenance. Relationships require attention. It's not a vending machine. This is a real business. Also, if you're not willing to learn one platform deeply, you'll get frustrated. High level does a lot. That's its strength, but it also means there's a learning curve. Now, you don't have to master everything on day one, but you do have to be willing to learn. And lastly, if you're looking for a magic button, some secret that makes clients just magically appear without any effort, I don't have that. Nobody does. And anyone who tells you they do, they're lying to you. But if you're still with me and still nodding along, you're probably the type this actually works for. Because this is for people who want to build something real. A real business with real clients who pay real money every month. Not a side hustle that you set up once and forget, but an actual business that requires actual work, especially in the beginning, but that can also completely change your life by offering time, location, and financial freedom. Now, of course, results vary based on your offer, your niche, and your effort. Some people build to 10K a month in 6 months. Some, rare exceptions, do it in a couple weeks. Some take a year, and some never get there at all because they quit too early or never really committed. I can show you the system. I can't do the work for you. So, my actual verdict. Is it too late to start a high-level agency in 2026? No, it's not too late. Is it the same as it was in 2019? Also no. It's different. The easy advantage is gone. You can't just be the high-level guy in your market and win by default anymore. You can't send generic DMs to unaware prospects and expect them to line up. The window where just showing up first was enough, well, that window's closed. But, and here's the good news, the fundamentals haven't changed. Business owners still need help with their marketing. They still need help with their follow-up. They still miss calls and forget to respond to leads, and they lose money because their systems are broken or non-existent. That hasn't changed, and it's not going to. If anything, that need is greater now. Every business owner has heard that they need to automate their marketing and use AI, but most of them have no idea how to actually do it, which means they're more aware of the problem than ever before. They just don't have the solution. That's the opportunity. Not high level is a cool tool, let me show you, but rather the opportunity is you have a problem, I can solve it, Here's how. The question isn't whether it's too late. The question is whether you're going to do it differently than the people who are failing right now. Are you going to send the same templates everyone else is sending, or are you going to build an actual offer for an actual market? Are you going to grind outreach with no system behind it, or are you going to build a process that compounds over time? Are you going to try to figure everything out yourself from scratch, or are you going to start with something that already works? That's what determines whether this works for you. Not the year, not the saturation, not whether you're early or late. The approach. If you're serious about building to 10K a month, or you're already there and want to scale to 20K or 30K and beyond, this is what I use. One platform, simple systems, the same approach I've used for many, many years. Refined over a decade of marketing and 6 years of actually using this software every single day. Everything I just talked about, I built inside High Level. The systems, the automations, the client delivery workflows, all of it. If you want the same setup, use the link in the descriptions to start your free trial. When you do, you'll unlock my complete one-person agency operating system, including the templates and scripts and snapshots and everything I use to build multiple seven-figure agencies. This is literally what I use, not a watered-down version. If this didn't work, I wouldn't still be using it 6 years later. There's over $10,000 worth of systems and training unlocked immediately when you start your trial. There's no course to buy, no upsell on the other side, just the free trial and the system that runs it. Links in the description. And if you want to see what High Level actually looks like inside, not the marketing page, but the real thing, I did a full tour showing exactly how I have it set up. That's the video to watch next, and I've got it linked up right here. So see you in there in just a second.